Hi everyone! Today we're going to draw a cute little elephant. So grab your drawing tools, find a comfy spot, and let's start drawing. Start by drawing the elephant's trunk. Next, draw a big circle for the head. Then, draw 2 eyes, you can color them black. Now, add 2 big ears on each side. Draw the elephant's body next. Finally, draw a little tail and you're done with the sketch. Great job! Let's start coloring our cute elephant. Begin by using light red to color the inside of the ears, just like the guidelines. Use the same red to color the cheeks too. Then, color the rest of the body with green or blue. All done! That wasn't hard, right? Do you want to try again? You can even make your elephant a different color. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time!